Hey, so we just arrived at the ship. I've already been over here one time. My load wasn't ready when I first got here. Back to that Flying J, half a day. Now we back over here again. Finna go pick up this load. Then we finna get on the road. Probably do like 500 miles on it. Probably put it in a repower. I only got like 900 miles altogether on it, so I can try to keep on moving.
Sign in for me?
I had signed in yesterday.
You're coming back in.
Oh, same thing?
Yep, every time you come in through the gate, you gotta sign in for it. Alright, what's your pickup number? Going to Rock Hill, Connecticut.
Yep.
Alright, it is ready.
Appreciate it, then. Thank you.
Yep, and I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, thank you. Yes, sir. Back up. Oh. Pull up over here. 1-8. See if we can find it. Look at that bad boy right here. Yeah, so now I just did a reweight. Just got that situated. The first one, I think they put my drives at like 36 or 37. So I had to slide my tandem back, slide them forward, around, do a reweight, but we got that situated. All right, now it's time to grab some breakfast for real. I'm trying to eat something. I'm hungry. You know, I'm gonna lie. Shit much needed. Got me some Hardee's, the hash browns. Not even gonna lie, I was over there smashing them hash browns. Like, boy, look what you got on your lip. Wipe your mouth, big dog. Come on now. Looking crazy out here for these folks. Hey, but after I was finished smashing that, it's time to let's get in, let's go. So as a company driver, I do gotta stop at the recommended fuel stops that they give me. For all the new drivers coming into trucking, use that time. If you do have to stop at the stop, stretch your legs, get you something to snack on, take a 30-minute break if you need it. Just basically use this as your reset time. Try to make sure everything clean on your truck, like your mirrors, your windshield. Also too, when you do stop, try to wear some type of gloves over your hands. I'm not the biggest germaphobe, but basically just you don't want to touch after somebody and you don't know what they've been doing in their truck. So you know how that go. I ain't gotta explain too much about that. So we got about 400 miles left on this. I'm probably not going to drive the rest of this. Well, I ain't gonna say probably. I'm not going to drive the rest of this because I don't got enough time on my clock. I am going to stop at this truck stop, probably call it a night, try to reset, and then just drop this off if I can tomorrow. If not, it will just be Monday. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Hey, so I just stopped at this pilot. About to take a 10-hour break, sitting here. But yeah, that's really everything right now. I'm gonna keep y'all posted up. Yeah, we just got here at a receiver. Today Monday. I wasn't able to drop that load early like I thought I was. But hey, we here now. I'm about to go over here. Buddy just left out of the door, so I'm gonna go pull up right now. We got door 40, man. Door 40. All right, I'm gonna set it up so y'all can see. Let me back up and, you know what I'm saying, check my backing game, see how what y'all think of me. I'm only 2 months in solo, but I got probably like 4 to 5 months experience, you can say. But 2 months by myself, so 2 months you can really say. But now I'm finna go pull over by this door. I'll catch y'all in a few minutes. Alright, so now I basically just got unloaded. This was one of my first stops. I had a second one. That one won't do until 10 a.m. that day. So I did drop that off. I just didn't make any videos on that. But yeah, that's really everything for this video. I definitely appreciate anybody who made it this far. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you got any suggestions on videos I should make, if you've seen anything that you did or did not like, leave that in the comment section for me. Anything that y'all want to see, please leave that in the comment section. I'm basically new to this, so I'm trying to get used to filming things that I think people want to see. So, but yeah, I appreciate y'all time and I thank y'all for watching.